the conscience within you is the Guru.
And if you just get yourself to do that on a regular basis, where you use a little discipline to get yourself to do it, and then especially if you learn to like pause frequently, whenever the universe taps you on the shoulder and you go, oh yeah, and you relax again. If you do it a lot, then you're like never very far away from it. Whereas before, when I wasn't meditating regularly, there'd be these huge swings. And then it's harder to get back into. Discipline yourself to do it a lot. And the doing it a lot simply means relax and shut up. Again, keep it easy. You can write a book about that. But relax, release tension. And sort of stop talking to yourself about it. Zip it. Silent-minded. You won't go unconscious. Again, that's one of the discoveries. You won't go unconscious. Instead, you realize, wow, the nature of mind is to be attentive. And it's effortless. And you start to feel the subtle joy. The moment you start to feel the subtle joy, get into it a little more. And go for it. And this weekend, go for it while you can. Do it where it's easy, so that in a more strenuous life circumstance, you will have had the experience of doing it a lot. And I think you'll find that you'll sort of surf the difficult circumstances differently if you get the hang of how to do this. In fact, if you're a surfer, you start liking big waves. And we're riding big waves. And you're doing something. You're doing something. Start doing this more, is my vote. Relax. And do the double melody.